Born from a joint engineering program between Italy and France, this 7,000-ton warship is a floating fortress. It is not built to be a jack-of-all-trades. It is a highly specialized apex predator designed for one exact purpose: absolute air superiority. Meet the Horizon-class destroyer, known in Italy as the Orizzonte class, measuring roughly 500 feet in length and carrying a crew of about 200 sailors. The Horizon class is built around a central nervous system called PAMS, or the Principal Anti-Air Missile System. This system can track hundreds of targets simultaneously, from low-flying sea skimmers to high-altitude supersonic jets. The teeth of this system sit just behind the bow, a 48-cell vertical launching system loaded with Aster 15 and Aster 30 interceptor missiles. These are not your average rockets. The Aster missiles utilize a flight control system called PIF-PAF. By firing small lateral thrusters located at the missile's center of gravity, it can literally shove itself sideways in mid-air right before impact. This allows the Aster to execute mind-bending maneuvers, pulling up to 60 G-forces. It does not just explode near a target. It relies on kinetic energy to physically smash into enemy missiles at Mach 4. But the true masterpiece of Italian naval engineering sits right on the deck. If an enemy drone or missile somehow survives the Aster interceptors, the Horizon class unleashes its secondary layer of defense. Mounts 3 massive 76mm OTO Melara super rapid guns, 2 facing forward and 1 covering the rear. These cannons fire up to 120 rounds per minute. But they do not just spray unguided bullets. They fire dart ammunition. These are radio-guided smart projectiles equipped with aerodynamic fins. Once fired, they can actually steer themselves in mid-air to chase down evasive drones and maneuvering missiles. This means the ship can destroy close-in threats from several miles away with surgical precision, creating an almost impenetrable inner shield. Warfare is evolving rapidly, and the Horizon class is evolving with it. These ships are currently undergoing a comprehensive multi-million-dollar midlife upgrade. By the late 2020s, the older radar systems will be replaced by the state-of-the-art Kronos Grand Naval Active Phased Array Radar. Coupled with this new radar is the integration of the Aster 30 Block 1 new technology missile. This upgrade officially elevates the Horizon class into the elite tier of ballistic missile defense. It will be capable of tracking and destroying highly complex theater ballistic missiles in the upper atmosphere, neutralizing threats before they even begin their final descent. It proves that a specialized, highly focused warship can completely lock down the airspace over a fleet, neutralizing everything from cheap drones to supersonic ballistic threats. What do you think?